Oh, I finished building my map of Star Wars, Hot Wheels I mean. And now I will show you directly how to play this. You just need to spin it, where you can see it spins like this. You just spin it, you see this middle thing? You just hold it and later spin it and later, but you see, this one fall, that's mean this one, these things, shoot him. And if I knock down guy down, that's mean we win. Let's get started. This, what? I don't know how it falls, but I was just putting it ready. Yeah. Maybe I did something wrong. Just putting it like this. Now I put this one back here. It's upside down actually. This one goes right here. Like that. This one goes right here. Now, let me turn the map better that you can see, my friends. Just let's spin it. Lay it down. Oh, this guy also fall. That means I also shoot him. Now let's try to knock this guy down. Just spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. But spin it really hard. Let it go faster. You win! Hello, my name is Kima Best Player. Today we will do a nice video of a Hot Wheel Star Wars. Let's open it with this, which and I don't know which one Star Wars plane is it, but let's just open it. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, I have this. I don't know what to do, but I still got the map right here. Okay, it's almost ready, looks like. Let's take the car out. Look, here it is. Finally, I took it out. There's the bumper. I think I know this piece. Let's throw this away. Here it is. Let's put it right here. I think this one goes like this. Yep, like that. Now I have to put these stickers. I'm gonna put the sticker first. I don't want to put it last. I think this one goes, I think, right here. And it goes right here. This one right here. Is that how it is? Or like this? I think it goes like this. Or like this. I don't know. But I will guess like this. Oh, it's missing more feet. I'm gonna just go like this better. Go like this. Like this. Where do I have to put this sticker? I thought I put it there. Any other places? What about this book? There's some structures. right here. Maybe that's gonna be the last. I'll just put this last. Or put it like this. Like this. Later, last